Madras High Court's Madurai Bench upheld Justice G.R. Swaminathan's order allowing the lighting of traditional lamp on the Deepathoon at Tirupparankundram temple. The division bench of Justices G. Jayachandran and K. Ramakrishnan dismissed the Tamil Nadu government's appeal against the single judge order. The court observed that the district administration should have treated the issue as an opportunity for mediation between communities instead of escalating it. Devotees, local residents, and advocates celebrated the HC ruling, calling it a victory for tradition and religious rights. The order clarified that the ritual can be carried out in compliance with heritage laws, with the number of devotees regulated in consultation with the ASI. Justice Swaminathan had earlier ruled that the centuries-old practice of lighting the lamp must continue, rejecting the law and order concerns cited by the state. Union Minister Piyush Goyal welcomed the High Court verdict and accused the DMK government of targeting Sanatan Dharma and attempting to intimidate the judiciary.
It is indeed a matter of great satisfaction that the Honorable High Court of Tamil Nadu, in a division bench order today, has given justice to the devotees of this very, very old and ancient temple atop the Tirupparankundram hills, where Bhagwan Murugan resides, where for centuries now lamps have been lit in reverence of Lord Karthigai, and for centuries now Hindu Dharma has celebrated the Lord and carried out this practice of lighting a lamp, which this year was expected to be lit on 4th of December 2025. It is not a mere coincidence that the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin, his son, Mr. Udayanidhi, and other senior leaders of the DMK have consistently berated, derided, and attacked Sanatan Dharma. So much so that on 2nd September 2023, Mr. Udayanidhi made an audacious and reprehensible demand for the eradication of Sanatan Dharma itself.
The verdict comes amid a political controversy after over 100 India Bloc MPs submitted an impeachment notice against Justice Swaminathan during the winter session of the Parliament. Goyal alleged that the impeachment motion reflected an anti-Hindu mindset and was aimed at pressuring a judge for an unfavorable verdict.
They did not allow the celebrations and the tradition to be carried out in 24 also. And therefore the devotees went to the court for justice, and justice was delivered by Justice Swaminathan, who permitted through his judgment on 1st December 2025 to continue the practice of lighting the lamp, the Deepathoon at Tirupparankundram. It is extremely unfortunate that the state government went in appeal against the Honorable Judge's order, clearly reflecting a bias against Hindu Dharma, against Sanatan Dharma, clearly reflecting an anti-Hindu mindset, in fact, showing the hatred that Mr. Stalin, his son Mr. Udaynidhi, and the DMK party and their friends in the India alliance have against Hindu Dharma. Their mindset was also reflected by their impeachment motion against Justice Swaminathan. This impeachment motion has been submitted by different members of Parliament of the India Alliance, including Ms. Priyanka Vadra Gandhi, including leaders of the Samajwadi Party, Dharmendra Yadav, Dimple Yadav, leader of NCP Sharad Pawar Group, Supriya Sule, leaders of Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray, Mr. Arvind Sawant, senior leaders and members of Parliament of DMK, including Mr. Raja, who are all at the forefront of this anti-Hindu effort, and they are trying to intimidate the judiciary by filing this impeachment motion and making all false allegations against Honorable Justice G.R. Swaminathan. Because of a judgment, they have called him anti-secular. Because of the judgment, they have alleged falsely that he showed favoritism to somebody. Because of this judgment, they have falsely alleged that there was favoritism to advocates from a particular community. And they have also made the ridiculous allegation against the judiciary of political bias or favoring a particular political ideology. This shows, friends, that the so-called people who claim to uphold the constitution are intimidating the judiciary.
The sources say that Stalin government wished to move to Supreme Court to challenge the High Court's Deepam verdict, while the petitioner said that court rejected the state's claims of potential unrest, instead pointing to administrative failure. The issue had earlier triggered tensions during the Karthigai Deepam festival, when the police prevented the ritual despite a court directive. The High Court reiterated that the long-standing religious practices cannot be arbitrarily halted without any legal basis.
It is a wake-up call for the people of Tamil Nadu. ये देश के लोगों के लिए एक चेतावनी है कि जागो, बचो इस प्रकार की सोच जो इंडिया अलायंस, जो कांग्रेस पार्टी, जो डीएमके, जो समाजवादी पार्टी, जो तृणमूल कांग्रेस, इस टाइप की पार्टीज की जो सोच है, इससे देश के लोगों को बचना पड़ेगा। ये चेतावनी फिर एक बार हमारे सामने आई है। ये देश तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति कभी स्वीकारित नहीं करेगा। ये देश हर एक को सम्मानित करता है, हर एक धर्म को सम्मान देता है, और ऐसी पार्टियां जो हिंदू धर्म के खिलाफ काम करती हैं, जो अब कहती हैं हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे।